Today on the Sugary Sweet, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy, delicious, homemade strawberry ice cream. It doesn't require too many ingredients at all, and you'll have ice cream at home in no time using your ice cream maker. Be sure you follow the exact recipe that's in the description box below, and subscribe to me and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my new uploads. I have an upload schedule coming very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Please don't forget to check out my previous videos. I have lots of videos up there, and the quality might be bad, but that's okay because they're going to be refilmed very soon. So we're going to begin with today's demo. So I'm going to be using my Geek Chef food processor. I'm going to put my strawberries in that I hold, and I just went around with a paring knife and I hold the strawberries. I'm going to put the top on, and then I'm going to puree this. Just going to pulse it until it's my desired texture. I think I want it to be a little bit more pureed. I think this is going to be good. Just a little bit more. So we're going to set that aside. So here I have my cold milk, and I'm going to add my sugar. And be sure you use the same amount of sugar listed, or your ice cream, the texture is going to be off. This amount of sugar is really important to keep your ice cream from becoming too icy. So you're going to just mix this sugar and the milk together, and I'm going to add some salt, and I'm just going to mix until that sugar is dissolved in with the milk. So after mixing in the sugar, salt, and milk, I'm going to add the vanilla extract, and then I'm going to pour in my heavy cream. Move that around with the spatula. I don't want to incorporate any more air in this. Then I'm going to mix in our strawberries. Then I'm going to mix this together, and I'm going to chill this for about 2 hours or so overnight. You can and cover it. This is going to have beautiful strawberry flavor. Okay, so my cream mixture has chilled, and I have my ice cream maker set up, and I'm going to turn it on because for this particular recipe you have to have the ice cream maker running. So I'm going to pour everything in, and then we're going to let this go for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes depending on your ice cream maker. It's going to be almost doubled in volume. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and our ice cream is finished. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my paddle and stuff out, and I'm going to put this into a freezer safe container. So let this finish firming up because this is at its soft serve consistency right now. And as you notice, the texture is perfect. You can tell it's not going to have an icy texture. And that's the importance of keeping that amount of sugar. Now if you want to make it a little bit sweeter, you can, but I would suggest not adjusting the amount of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on this, and I'm going to put this in the freezer for 4 to 8 hours or overnight. Here's our beautiful ice cream. I already scooped it out and put it on the cone. Absolutely, I can't wait to taste this. I'll put it on the waffle cone. If you guys want to find out more ice cream recipes, please check my channel. Go to the playlist or check the description box. There's a playlist for ice cream recipes for both of my channels. So let's give this a taste. My goodness. Super creamy. It's not icy at all. delicious. Please, everyone, add this video to your playlist and subscribe to the Sugary Sweet. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Please give me a thumbs up. Share my video. I appreciate every last one of you guys' support. Please help me with this channel because I have a big dream that I'm trying to accomplish. Thank you for watching the Sugary Sweet, where we're making the world a little bit sweeter